DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Quadcopter Drone Fly All Day Bundle Size, Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Color Fly All Day Bundle. This kit includes 1 DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Quadcopter, 1 Phantom 4 Obsidian Remote Controller, 1 Goggles Sling Bag, 1 Obsidian Propeller Guards, 1 Filter Kit for Phantom 4 Pro, 1 microUSB Lightning Cable, 1 Remote Controller Strap, 1 to 128 GB high-speed micrSD memory card, 1 card reader, landing gear, 1 multi-charger, charges 3 batteries and remote, 1 DJI Google's Racing Edition, 1 DJI Carry More Backpack, 8 propellers, 3 intelligent flight battery, Obsidian, 1 battery charger, 1 AC cable for battery charger, 1 gimbal clamp, 1 USB OTG cable, 1 micro USB cable, 1 to 16 GB microSD card, 1 DJI Phantom 4 Obsidian carrying case, 1 eDigitalUSA brush blower, 1 eDigitalUSA cleaning kit, 1 eDigitalUSA stylus, 1 eDigitalUSA microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.